Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn text and numbers formatting in Excel. So here you can see one table is there. It is showing the revenue of four branches of one hotel for 2020 and the amount is in dollars for the month of January to December month wise. At the end in last column it is in total also. So let's start the formatting from text. Here you can see it is all in calligraphy font with 11 font size. So we will start from here. If you see here, revenue Altufel Hotel and Resorts 2020. And if you click on the next, if you move to right side, next cell, there is nothing inside in these three cells, but you will see the data, but you are seeing the data here because all the data, all the text, five or six words are entered in first cell means B column and second row. So when you will click here, you can select the font. If you want to change the font, you will see on the background, you can see system is showing you. If I will zoom, you will see properly. System is changing the revenue. System is changing the font of this. What is the word? Revenue also fail hotel. You will see here again like this. So we will select Arial black. Okay. So this font is selected for the heading revenue also fail hotel and resorts 2020. Now you can also merge in one cell. So it will become only one cell and the text will be in one cell only. If you select this, merge all. So now it become from B to G, it become one cell and the whole text, all the text, 2, 3, 5, 6 words are in same cell. So cell address here is B2. System will pick the first uh, column and second row. System will give the address B2. So this is the formatting of the heading and you can change the color of the font here like this. If you want to change the color of the cells, you can do from here, theme color. This one is theme color for the writing. This is for the cells. You can select this color and then this is branch heading and we have four branches and this is the month from January to December for, and the last column is total. So we can select all like this including branch, all selected. You can select like this also or you can select like this also. You can make it bold by pressing bold, clicking on bold button, and you can make it italic and underline as well. When you will press all these again, so it will remove the action. For example, if I click again, underline, it is already removed from here. This is the bold and italic sign, italic formatting, and then you can change the size of the font in the from the list 12, 14, 16, and you can also change the size by clicking on this. It will increase the size and you can see the small a in size, it is small, so you can reduce the size. So we'll keep 12. So, and then we can do, this was the font section and now we can go to alignment section. Alignment, this is the this is for the data in the cells, mean it is in the bottom align, it is in the center. If you will see, it moves to center. If you will do, it will top align. The cell size is small. Now you can see the difference very easily. Data will move like bottom, in center, in top. So we'll keep in bottom. This is towards up, down, in center. This is the alignment for left, right, and center also. So we will do this also. This is for center, this is for right, this is for left, but we will keep in center. And the same you can do with this. We will keep in center. We will make it bold and italic. And if you want to change the color of the text here also, we will change the color also like this. So this is the text formatting. Now we'll move to numbers, means numbers formatting. Basically, this is the revenue month wise and branch wise. So what we can do, it is just looking just number without any other comma and other rounding digits. It is the only 4 or 5 digit data in each cell. So we will make it in a proper format so it will look good for you. So first you can select comma style. This is number. You can see both font and alignment we use for the text, and numbering numbers formatting we will use for our numbers. So when you give the comma in your country, sometime it is 2 digit rounding, sometime 3 digit. Like in UAE, it is two digit, and in Oman it is 3 digits. So you can increase the rounding, you can increase and decrease the decimal place of the cells. So this is the rounding in converting into 2 and 3 decimal places. Then you can select the currency also here, and here you can make it general, number format, currency format, accounting format, date format. All these you can convert, but this is the numerical data, numbers data, that is representing the revenue of Altofel Hotel. So it should be numbers. So here it is the numbers. You can also select the currency here. If you see here, you can make it in dollar sign, and you can also find your currency of the current country where you are operating, where you want to represent the figures. Like you can say euro. You can also present in euro. Here you can also increase the decimal places. What we told you before here, you can also increase. You will see here, and you can decrease also from here. Increase and decrease from here. So this is the number formats, number formatting. And when you will see the data is in more width, the cell width is too much, so you can adjust this also like this. So first you need to select all from the ABC column numbers. Then you can double click, so it will automatically adjust and align the data it will automatically adjust and align the cell size according to the data inside the cell. So it is already adjusted. You can see here. You need to click all these, select all these, and then in any cell center point that is next to the other cell address in column, you just double click here. When this sign will come in front of you, two arrows, one right side, one left side, you just need to click. It will automatically adjust the data. So this is the video today for the text formatting and number formattings. You can see my more video on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I will be back with more videos for your learning. Thank you.